Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. After watching this tutorial you will be able to create video like this. But before starting tutorial please subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all open in your phone. Come to search bar and search AI Fusion app. Here you will be found so many applications. You should to click on this app and install this app and then wait for installing. After installation click on the app. Once you click the app will be open and then you choose that which things you wanna to fuse. For example I wanna to fuse it with Lion so you can see that it fused and now I wanna to download this video so it's simple. Click on this icon and download your video to gallery. Thank you so much guys for watching.